Welcome to the banker lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by fixing the unit circle. Radius 1 centered at the origin so coordinates equal cosine and sine. Next, place the quadrant benchmarks at 0 degrees, 90 degrees, 180 degrees, 270 degrees and mark the acute angles 30 degrees, 45 degrees, 60 degrees. Once done, note that any point on the circle has coordinates, cos theta, sin theta, so finding exact values reduces to reading those coordinates. Make sure to write common coordinates as fractions and radicals so you can use them immediately in later steps. You now convert any angle into a reference angle between 0 degrees and 90 degrees by subtracting quadrantal multiples. This gives you the base coordinates from the table. Once you have that, reflect the coordinates across axes depending on the quadrant. Flip x for left, y for down. Then assign signs, cosine negative in quadrants Roman 2 and Roman 3, sine negative in Roman 3 and Roman 4. After doing this, you'll have exact signed values like minus square 3/2, 1/2, without guessing. Use these directly for trig evaluation. You finish by reading off cos, theta, and sin, theta from the point and computing tan theta as sin over cos when cos is not 0. This gives exact fractional or radical results. Once you've computed, convert degrees to radians if required by multiplying by pi over 180 so your answers match expected units. Finally, always check consistency. Cos 2 plus sin 2 equals 1. If it doesn't, retrace sine assignment and reference angle steps as the primary troubleshooting tip.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.